in South Goa as well as in Margao, Fatorda. People were waiting for reopening of Ravindra Bhavan Auditorium, Pai Tiatrist Hall, in a black box. And as committed by our PWD Minister, 30th October आम्ही complete करतले. त्याप्रमाणे the work is completed, little cleaning and this work is pending. That's all. And it is reopening from tomorrow. It's a very big achievement, even for Ravindra Bhavan also, to complete the work in time without any order. So we काम complete जाऊन बऱ्यापैकी जाऊन you will be able to see it. The press conference नंतर आणखी होईल. दुसरे, this will be inaugurated tomorrow at 10 a.m. at the hands of Honorable Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawant, in the presence of Minister of PWD, Sri Digambar Kamat, and Honorable Minister for Art and Culture, Sri Ramesh Tawadkar. There will be a small function of lighting of lamp, cutting the ribbons of black box and auditorium. And that will be followed by government program Mhaje Ghar. So तांचो program CM Pramod Sawant if I got this we had to adjust. So he had planned this. So we are doing that in the morning. Since we wanted head of the state, Chief Minister, to inaugurate it, so he could see what is the progress and how fast and how nicely the work is completed. That was their main card. In the evening, everybody knows tomorrow is Rangabhoomi Din. Theatre is a very important day for tomorrow. That दिवसात आमचे theatre opening जाता. So we are going to have a performance, first drama tomorrow at 6 p.m. And at 6 p.m. we'll also have function in the presence of Honorable Digambar Kamat, Honorable Sri Ramesh Tawadkar, Sri Ullas and ex-chairman of Ravindra Bhavan, Sri Damodar Naik, who is an artist and who has worked for the maximum term of 7 years in this almost up to 17 वर्षाच्या 7 years he was the chairman. Opening of theatre and starting all types of drama, theatre, Marathi plays, सगळे. So तांचे कडेन meeting झाली, theatrist भावाकडे सगळे we explained to them very nicely. दररोज भाडे वाडयताक दिसले. See there, so I said you are right, भाडे वाडोवपा जाय. Right? सगळे इतले केला, maintain जावपाक भाडे जाय. आमळे पुढे तुमकां मार्च म्हणसर I am not going to increase theatre rate. तुम्ही तितल्यावर कित्याक because you have suffered loss for last 2-3 months. करात, पण from April we will increase